Now when I used to do the markets, I used to sit there drawing away and I'd be amazed that people would come up to me and say, oh, I can't even draw a stick man, I wish I could draw. Well, I'm about to share with you all the secrets that I've learnt, and you'll be drawing like a pro in no time. I'm Robbie Greer from Rusticated-Art, and I'm going to show you step by step how to draw just by using basic shapes. If you can hold a pencil and write your name, you can learn to draw. There's only one condition: you just have to want to enough. Now think back to when you first learned to write your name, and if you're anything like me, you can't, can you? Well, learning to draw is the same. Now lately I've been getting a few comments from some of my subscribers saying how as a family they like to sit in front of the TV and draw along with me. And I thought, well, what a great idea, especially in these times, and you know, with the pandemic going on and people being down in lockdown. And yeah, I thought, well, hey, that's a great idea, why don't we do that? So that's how I've designed these. You can just sit there and just draw along, pause whenever you want. So I've decided to create a playlist of my new and easy to draw videos. And once again, just using basic shapes. Now these are the exact same lessons that I teach here in my studio for upwards of $50 an hour. Yours free. Now all I'd like you to do in return is give me a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family. I'm sure they'd love to watch it too if you do. And hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll get notified every time a new video comes out. So if you want to get started right away, just click on the link up here. You got nothing to lose, give it a go. Come on in.